The strongest of us is the one whose heart desires and has an urge to do that which is displeasing to Allah, but they abstain solely because they want to please Allah. You know, there was a certain brother who came to me. He said, you know, I used to be an alcoholic. Listen carefully, because I'm sure we might relate to this with some people. I used to be an alcoholic. I quit it for the sake of Allah. But now I miss it. Subhanallah. Am I allowed to say this? He asks me. I say, brother, don't say it to anyone. There's no point. I'm glad you're being honest with me, but I can help you by telling you, every time you miss something or you want to do something and you know that this is displeasing to Allah, so you don't do it, Allah writes a reward for you. He writes a reward. Why? The hadith says it clearly. Man hamma bi sayyi'atin. Whoever wants to commit a sin. Hey, I really want to do this. I really want to do this. Whether it's drugs or adultery or gambling or whatever else it may be. What I spoke about now, alcohol, whatever it may be. You want to do it because the shaitan within is driving your lust and desire towards it. And then the hadith says, if you stay away only because of Allah, He writes a reward for you. By doing what? I just sat and my brain was thinking. That's all. My brain was thinking. I almost got up, but I didn't. Allah says, for you is a sitting reward. Sitting reward.